Welcome to this afternoon class. We are still talking about text to voice over AI tool that we can use for our content. So earlier today I talked about Clipchamp, okay? And like I said earlier, you can't use Clipchamp on your mobile phone except you are using a computer. But I got a different information. There is a way that we can use Clipchamp on our mobile phone, and that is very good because by far Clipchamp is the best right now, a text to voice over generator that we can use for now. So for us to use Clipchamp, you just go over to your Play Store and search for Kiwi browser. You see it here, I already have it, and search for Kiwi browser. So this is Kiwi browser here. So once you install it on your mobile phone, go over to your Kiwi browser and launch it. This is Kiwi browser. So on the browser you can type clipchamp.com. once it's open, by default this is how it will be. So once it's open like this, click on these three dots here for your browser. Click on the three dots and mark desktop site. So this simply means that your phone will access the website desktop version. So the site will be seeing your phone like it's a desktop. So once it's here, you click on try for free. Okay, you click on try for free and log in. So it's because I already have an account with it that I already signed in before. So once you click try for free, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail or use any other email, Microsoft Mail. So I'm sure we already have Microsoft Mail that we created. We have Gmail, so use any of them and log in. So once we are logged in, see, this is how you're going to view it. This is how it usually is on the system. So you might just have to zoom close so you see all you are doing. So this is the interface for Clipchamp. This is very good. So you click on text to speech. This is it here, text to speech. So you click on text to speech, click on try it. Okay, this is the Clipchamp interface. This is how it's going to be. You might need to zoom out to see everything. Okay, so once it's open like this, you see here, you see under create, you see text to speech by the left side. By the left side, you click on it, text to speech, and you wait it to load. Now this is it. So here that you see text here, this is where you enter the prompt or copy and paste your voiceover, like I explained earlier using 11 Labs. So let me type a prompt manually. So I'm going to cut the video and resume after typing the prompt. Okay, I've finished entering the prompt. As you can see, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. On the first day of creation, he said, let there be light, and there was light. Okay, and blah blah blah. So that is the prompt, as you can see. So after we finish entering the prompt, let's go over here and explore other options like language. So under the language, you click, it's still loading. Okay, the voice tool is still loading. So I'm going to allow it to finish loading, then we'll come back and see how we can do the settings to get the best result or the desired results. Okay, the options are loaded now. So the language, you see here, we can select the language. We have English, of course, then different accents of English. We have English Philippines, English Singapore, English South Africa, English Tanzania, English United Kingdom. So we have other languages, French, Finnish, and other languages. So many languages you want. So if you want the English and you want a Nigerian accent, I think we have English Nigerian. I use the English Nigerian in my last content. Usually I use my voice, but I have to explore this website to see how good it is. Let's look for, okay, this is English Nigeria. So when you click on English Nigeria, the voices under English will have the Abio and Ezine. So obviously Ezine is a female voice while Abio is a male voice. So let's see the male voice. If you click on this play sign before the hear the voice, you are going to hear it. Let's play it and hear.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Here, that is the Abio's voice. So let's hear what the Ezine sounds like. Let's hear Ezine's voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Okay, I think the Abio sounds more Nigerian than the Ezine. Ezine sounds, to me, it's like an English South African accent. So I will go with this guy, the Abio. So once you've selected that, the advanced settings, you can just leave the pace in between the low and
Choose
fast.
from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So once we are done, you just scroll down and click save. So the AI tool will now convert this text to the voiceover. So now you can see now in the beginning, this is the preview. Below here, this is the preview of the text. That means it's ready. So you can click play to hear it.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
So this is it. Now, originally, Clipchamp is a video editor software. It's a video editing software. Actually, it's online video editing software that also have the feature of converting from text to voice. So we are using the text to voice feature, and that means this is the timeline. You can see this is the audio timeline, and this is supposed to be the video timeline, but we only have audio. So once we are done, we are exporting. Unfortunately, it's going to be exporting as a video file, you see, because it's a video editor. So it's going to be exporting as a video file. We have different qualities, video qualities, but since we are just using the voice, the quality doesn't really matter. So we can use the smallest so that we don't have a file that is too heavy. So the quality we choose will not affect the sound, because this is only for the video quality, and of course there is no video in it. So we use the 480, which works well. So once you click the quality, you wait for it to load. You see it's loading here. It's loading, and this is supposed to be the preview for video, but there is no video, like I said. It's just the sound. You see? So we can now change the name. Let's change the name to in the beginning, or let's say creation VO. VO is voiceover. So select where you want to save it. You can just save it on your downloads, which is where every file you download is, and click download. So we are done now. The name is creation VO. Now if you go over to your downloads, you are going to see it. You see it.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
So this is it. You see it's playing like it's supposed to be a video file. So what we are supposed to do next is, let's switch over to our regular browser, which is Chrome. Now there are two things. The next thing to do, there are two things we can do to be able to separate the voice from the video file, because all we need is just the voice and not that black background that is video. So we can use a website called my brain don't fool, MP4 to MP3 converter. Okay, we are going to use this cloud converter. It's easier, cloud converter. So you click on cloud converter, select file. So we are going to select that file that we downloaded. So we'll go to media, can go over to downloads, see it, creation VO, so select it and click convert. Okay, our conversion is complete, so we just click on download to download. Complete. So you see we have the mp3 file, which is just the audio file downloaded on our system. So you can see it. This
In
is
the
just
beginning, God created the heavens and
so that is it. We've downloaded, we've converted it to mp3, and this is just the file we need. And the second option on what to do is, since we're going to use it on our video editor, so you can just go over to your video editor. If you're using CapCut or any other video editor, just create new project, select the files you want to edit. Let's assume this is the file we want to edit. But let's say this is the file we want to edit. So let me select, I say, and add file. So we've created new projects. So we can just go over to so this is the file we selected. So I can just go to add new project and go to videos. So now this is that file, the mp4, because it's going to be seeing it as a video file with a black background. So this is it. Let me play it so you understand.
in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
So you see, so what we can do is just click on it and come to we have to separate the video from the audio. So this is it, extract audio. Click on extract audio. So it's now separated, so you can delete the video file. Now you have audio that you can just lay under the video file you want to use. So we've removed that black background that is the video. So this is it.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. On the first day of creation,
So
he said, "Let there be light."
Beautiful. So, but since we already converted it to audio file, so we can just go here and add audio. Click on sound. Select the file from your device. Let's search for it. Creation voiceover mp3. So this is it.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the
Just add
earth.
it. So, and we are good. So either way, is either you convert to mp3 or you leave it as mp4. So once you import it, you extract it, the audio from the video file, and delete the video clip.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
So this is it. This is how to use Clipchamp on your mobile phone to create beautiful voiceover using any English, any accent, any language of your choice. But remember, you will be able to do that using the browser called Kiwi browser. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next class.